Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I've really been wanting to try to do this knitted toque design, so this is my first time doing it, so I thought I would film it for you, and I must say this is an advanced design. It is very difficult to do. I had a difficult time, I must say, but I do love the way that it turned out. I started off with Peaches, which is my very favorite nude from Bioseaweed gel. It is a 3-step gel, therefore it does have a dispersion layer. I did need 2 coats of this, and they do cure in an LED for 1 minute. Then I came in with Bioseaweed's Black on Black, and I just painted a little outline of the toque just in case there were any spots that you could see in between the knitting of the 3D gel. I didn't want to see the light colored base underneath, so I just painted a little silhouette, I guess, of the hat underneath. And that just required 1 layer of the Black on Black, which is why I just absolutely love Bioseaweed. I'm now coming in with my 3D gel that I have. This is the only color I have, unfortunately, or else I would have done more of a two-toned look. The videos I've seen of this, they use 4D gel. I'm not sure what the difference is. And then I think maybe I've also seen this done with acrylic. So what I was doing was I was just twisting it in my fingers to roll it out. And then I just placed it onto this, I don't know, it's like a dotting tool here. And now I'm twisting the gel. And if it gets sticky on you, you just have to wet your fingers. And then it makes it less sticky, I guess. But it's just, this is hard to work with, guys. I had to do this quite a few times to get it the way that I wanted to. And obviously I didn't film all my mistakes, but there were a lot of mistakes, I will say. So once you have it looking the way you like, you're just going to place it down. And I do want to say I should have started in the center of the toque hat and not on the side. I wish I had started in the center. So if you were to do this, I would start with the center first and then work your way out. And now I also wanted to show you, you don't have to roll it so thin in your fingers. You could actually make it thicker, put it over your tool, and then as you're twisting, pull down, and then it pulls it down into a tighter swirl for you so you don't have to play with it too much in your hands. I do want to say too that I probably should have worn gloves for this, as I am getting the gel on my fingers. I did make sure to clean it up. It didn't stay on my hands for very long, but you might want to wear gloves if you're going to do something like this. And then also when you're placing the twists beside each other, you want to make sure that you're twisting them in opposite ways, and that's how you get that braided look. I think you can put them down all in the same way. You might just get a different look to it. I'm not sure, but all the ones I've seen is that you twist the opposite way and then you place it down, and then that's how you get the braided knitted look to it. And then now I'm just putting down another piece on the end of the hat to make the brim of it, and then I'm just using my brush with some alcohol to place it down. Earlier in the video, I was also using the brush to clean up any black that got onto the nail before I cured. And then now I'm using my little tool again to just kind of work it to make some details in the brim of the hat to kind of make it look a little more fluffy looking. I think I'm definitely going to want to get myself some more colors in these 3D or 4D gels. So let me know what are good brands and good ones that I should try out, ones that have good color ranges and, you know, good quality gels that you know of. Comment down below, let me know. So now we're just putting the little ball on the hat, and we are doing the same technique that we did with the brim to make it look a little bit more textured. This 3D gel I have here is by NOQ, Nail of Queen, I think is what the brand is called. I'm not sure if they are still around. I haven't seen them recently, and I did buy this a few years ago. So if they are, I'll link them in the description. Now we're coming around the outside with our Akzentz Shine-on. I decided that I wanted to leave the Tuque looking matte because I liked the contrast that it gave between the glossy nail and I don't know, a lot of knitted toques I've seen are matte and not glossy looking, so we left her matte. So there we go, that's the nail. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye for now, until tomorrow.